Hi there, welcome to another new session in Deepak's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you one of the most beautiful and much requested recipe known as a Paneer Matar Masala. You go in whichever restaurants or dhabas, this recipe is a must. I'm going to show you how to make a restaurant or a dhaba style Paneer Matar Masala at home. So without much talking, let's see how this beautiful Paneer Matar Masala is done. And to make this beautiful Matar Paneer Masala, I have heated a pan. In this I am going to add nearly 2 tablespoons of oil. Now look, the oil is nicely hot and we need to sear this paneer to get a golden brown color. Use a tong like this, it will be much easier to play with. And now let's flip this. And now look, the paneer got a nice golden brown color, and I will add this paneer directly into a bowl of water. And we'll keep this aside. We call it as a halwai technique. The halwais are the main chefs. They do a nice trick. In this technique, you need to sear the paneer to a golden brown. Soon after it get a golden brown color, you take out the paneer and put that in a bowl of water. First thing is the paneer will get a nice crust. Second is the paneer will become more juicier and more succulent. And third one is, and the paneer will not disintegrate in the gravy even when you cook it. And this is the beauty of this technique. And in the same pan, I'm going to add nearly a tablespoon of ghee. And now ghee is nicely hot. In this I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of jeera. And I also add finely chopped onions, that's nearly a 2 medium sized onion. And we need to fry the onions really nice and good. And now look, the onions are nicely being sauteed. At this time I will add nearly 1.5 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. And saute until the raw smell of this goes away. And now the raw smell has been gone. In this I will add a pinch of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and give this a nice mix. Keep it in a low flame. This is one of the most crucial step in this recipe. Whenever you add these spice powders, you need to cook it very well in the oil or the ghee until it completely has been cooked, and it should be sauteed very well. This is the time where the gravy gets its beautiful color. If you don't cook it well, or if you add the tomato paste very early, then it will not taste much good. Spices should cook evenly and very well with the ginger garlic paste and the tomato. Then only the masala tastes much better. Look, now a nice aroma is arising. For this, I am adding a little bit of water. And in this I will add some fresh green peas and allow this green peas to cook in the masala for about 2 to 3 minutes. And now look, the peas are nicely frying and it has been nearly 2 minutes on a medium flame. And in this I will add a 1.5 cup of tomato puree and we'll mix this nice. and we need to cook it until the oil floats on the top. And there is a secret trick of mine, that's at this time I will add nearly a tablespoon of butter to make the gravy much more silkier and heavy, and give this a nice mix. And now look, all the oil is floating on the top. At this time we'll add required amount of salt and a half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and give this a nice mix. I will add water we'll close the lid and allow this to cook for about 5 minutes on a medium flame. And now it's been nearly 5 minutes. Let's open the lid. Wow, the piece are cooked perfectly. For roti we require this much of a consistency. So at this time I will add the fried paneer and we'll add the kothimir or the coriander leaves. Give this a fun final mix and let the paneer boil in this gravy for about 1 minute. And here you go, the ghee is also floating on the top. And now the famous paneer matar masala is ready to taste. Here you go, now you know the secret of doing the restaurant style matar paneer at the ease of your home. Let me give some briefing about this paneer. Actually, in our traditional Indian cuisines, the paneer was not used so much. It has been very recently introduced to our Indian cuisine because the milk is considered very sacred in our culture. So it is thought that breaking the milk and making paneer out of it, it considered to be as a bad omen. That's why our traditional food doesn't have the paneer usage that much in our cuisine. So it has been introduced very recently in our cuisine. I hope you guys like this video. If so, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon and click the notifications to all. Then only you will get every updates of us. If you like our work, then you can support us. The links are given below, and we'll be back with another recipe. Till then, this is your host and host Deepak Kshatriya signing off, and Jai Hind, Namaste.